It'll get better. Don't worry about it. Everyone has a shitty week. Just look forward to next week, alright? Enjoy your weekend. Open chests? Oh, it's in the thousands. Oh, fucking hell, dude. God, what the fuck would it be? Chests open. 69,420.
Where'd B go? Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of